Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing. Log in with an administrator account and verify which SQL Server 2012 instances are installed, because you will remove them specifically. Once identified, stop related services using services. MSC or SQL Server Configuration Manager so active processes do not block removal. Make sure to back up the master, MSDB, model, and any user databases now. Don't assume backups exist. This prevents data loss and lets you restore settings if you decide to reinstall later. Next, open Programs and Features and choose Microsoft SQL Server 2012, then click Uninstall. You must select the exact instance name you stopped earlier. That ensures you remove the intended server and not a different instance. During the wizard, choose specific features to remove, for example database engine, reporting services, or client tools, and confirm each step. If the wizard asks about shared components, remove them only when you are sure no other SQL-based applications need them, to avoid breaking other software. Finally, reboot the server to clear locks, then verify no SQL services remain. Remove leftover folders under Program Files, x86, and Program Data if they are safe to delete. For a thorough cleanup, remove SQL keys under hklm/software/Microsoft/Microsoft SQL Server and any instance-specific registry entries, but export keys first. If the uninstall fails, run the original setup. exe with /action equals uninstall for that instance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.